and gentlemen, welcome to Doha, where the local time is 10:55 in the morning and the outside temperature is 21 degrees. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop. For customers requiring boarding passes for their onwards connection are required to coordinate with the ground staff. Customers holding onwards boarding passes are advised to check the flight information display for gate assignment information. Qatar Airways' preferred hotel in Doha is the Four Seasons Hotel. On behalf of Qatar Airways, Captain Alfani and the crew, we hope you have enjoyed your flight today and thank you for flying with Qatar Airways. For our transit customers flying first class or business class to onwards destinations with Qatar Airways, your ground transfer will take you to our exclusive premium terminal where you can relax, unwind and enjoy our 5-star facilities. Please present your premium terminal invitation card to the ground staff as you disembark. For all our Doha bound